These ladies are so hot right now. Welcome to WatchMojo.com, and today we're counting down our picks for the top 10 sexiest female celebs of 2017.
I don't get caught up in all the celebrity BS. I don't care that I've never been named People Magazine's most beautiful woman in the world, or that Julia Roberts has gotten it 5 times.
Before we begin, we publish new videos every day, so be sure to subscribe for more great content. For this list, we're concentrating on film and television actresses as well as singers. And while looks are obviously important, we'll be focusing on female celebrities who've been the ultimate combination of brains, beauty, and popularity over the past year.
Got a fetish for my love. I'll push you out and you come right back.
Number 10. Camila Cabello. Ever since her departure from Fifth Harmony, Camila Cabello has been setting the game on fire thanks to her wicked mixture of beauty and musical talent. A genuine personality, whose humor and graciousness are on full display in every interview she gives, Cabello has no problem playing the role of sultry seductress when the mood strikes her. Need proof? Check out the music video for her chart-topping single Havana. Cabello straight up sizzles. That look, those dance moves, and that voice. With an album set to drop in 2018, all we can say is ay papi. Number 9. Halsey. If you haven't already hopped on the Halsey train, you'd be wise to do so in the immediate future. The sexy New Jersey native has been quietly taking over the pop music world ever since she dropped her second album, Hopeless Fountain Kingdom, in June of 2017. A unique beauty whose ever-changing hair color and multitude of tattoos only make her more irresistible, Halsey is the badass pop star the world desperately needs. We're just waiting for the day that she and Rihanna team up to set the record for most badass artists on a single track. It'll be a guaranteed internet breaker. Number 8. Blake Lively. Cracking our list for the second consecutive year, Blake Lively is one of those rare celebrities who can do it all. She scaled back her career somewhat this past year as she gave birth to her second child in September of 2016, and has spent the better part of 2017 taking care of her progeny while hubby Ryan Reynolds was busy shooting his new superhero flick in Vancouver.
Is it true that he loves the dirty work?
No, he does. He does love the dirty work.
Wait, Lively is a mother of 2 who still manages to act in feature films and be an activist?
What is the value of a single child's life? And what is the value of a child's life who isn't our own?
Yeah, now you see why she's made our list 2 years running. Talented, beautiful, and an involved present parent? What more can we ask for? Number 7. Lili Reinhart. 2017 saw Lili Reinhart go from unknown actress to network television star. Her portrayal of Betty Cooper on Riverdale is one you must check out, as she transforms the character from quintessential girl next door to sexy investigative reporter.
I'd love to be a cheerleader. It would look great on my college applications.
Quite the switcheroo. Together with co-star Camila Mendes, Reinhart has made Riverdale one of the hottest shows on television, and they each bring something unique to the table. Both young women have seriously promising careers ahead of them, with Reinhart leading the way thanks to her on-screen talent and, let's be honest, her charmingly good looks. Number 6. Taylor Swift. The powerful and determined woman behind 2017's best-selling album more than deserves a spot on our list. Pop princess Taylor Swift's reputation sold over 1 million copies in its first 4 days, with the lead single, Look What You Made Me Do, setting a YouTube record for most views in a 24-hour period, with more than 40 million people checking it out.
Oh, look what you made me do. Look what you made me do.
Still in her 20s, Swift is one of the hardest working, not to mention sexiest singers in the world today. Constantly making waves with her unique music videos and genre-defying music, Swift continues to be one of the hottest musical acts on the planet, in every way.
Are you ready for it?
Number 5. Alison Brie. A talented and very funny comic actress who's very easy on the eyes, Alison Brie is also as sexy as they come.
The people want the truth. I have to give it to them, and I won't let anyone stand in my way. Excuse me.
She burst onto the scene thanks to her hilarious portrayal of Annie Edison on Community, later translating that success into a number of solid film roles. Nowadays, she's the star of Glow, a Netflix comedy series about female wrestlers in the 80s, and we're pretty sure most fans think that watching her prance around in a skin-tight bodysuit isn't exactly a hard thing to do. With plenty of juicy roles on the horizon, we can't wait to see what she gets up to in 2018. Number 4. Emma Stone. What kind of list would this be if we didn't include Emma Stone, the woman who took home the Oscar for Best Actress for her performance in the critically acclaimed 2016 musical La La Land?
Maybe I'm one of those people that has always wanted to do it, but it's like a pipe dream for me.
She's the ultimate girl next door, and despite her relative youth, Stone has been a Hollywood mainstay for years now, always managing to bring the same plucky energy and humor to every role she inhabits.
Keep talking, Bobby. More nonsense you spell, the worse it's gonna be when you lose.
She cracked Time's list of the 100 most influential people in the world in 2017, a testament to her skills as an actress and her off-screen personality. Is there anything sexier than a successful woman? Number 3. Priyanka Chopra.
If I was a man, you'd call me driven.
A year after she was named one of the most influential people in the world by Time magazine, clearly they know what they're doing over there. Priyanka Chopra cracked Forbes' list of the world's 100 most powerful women. A jack of all trades who got her start in Bollywood before making the jump to North America, Chopra has garnered rave reviews for her portrayal of Alex Parrish on the ABC thriller Quantico.
6 months of lying to each other. We've done that before.
While her looks have never been in doubt, she won the Miss World 2000 pageant after all. That's hardly what defines her. Chopra is a philanthropist at heart. She's worked with UNICEF for the past decade and has spoken candidly in support of both women's rights and gender equality. Number 2. Rihanna. The badass Bajan singer and actress once again dominated the entertainment world in 2017. She may not have released a new album, but she did feature on some of the year's hottest tracks, including Future's Selfish and Loyalty, the hit single off of Kendrick Lamar's critically acclaimed album Damn. A unique beauty with skills to match, Rihanna's the kind of artist who could release an album every 10 years and still be considered one of the hottest singers on the planet.
Parents can be a bitch.
With strong showings in Season 5 of Bates Motel, and a major role in Luc Besson's over-the-top Valerian and the City of a Thousand Planets, we can't wait to see what she does in 2018. Before we unveil our number 1 pick, here are some honorable mentions.
And I assumed, I was like, sick, I killed it last night, he's gonna ask me on a second date. I pick up the phone and he says, you know, remember I was telling you about little Gary, my turtle? And I said, yeah. And he said, can you watch him for a few days?
Now I'm out here looking like revenge, feeling like a 10, the best I ever been, and yeah, I know.
If I could date someone in the Seven Kingdoms and beyond, I feel like I would probably date like Rob Stark or something. He kind of fundamentally is a good guy.
Number 1. Gal Gadot. 2 words, 1 movie. Wonder Woman catapulted Gal Gadot to the top of the Hollywood A-list. And does she ever fit right in? She's sexy, intelligent, and has a background with some serious grit. You see, Gadot was born and raised in Israel, and served in the military before becoming a model and an actress. Nowadays, she's kicking butt on screen. In 2017, she made headlines with her refusal to appear in the Wonder Woman sequel unless Brett Ratner, one of the many Hollywood figures accused of sexual harassment, was removed. And the producer was indeed booted from being involved with the film. Talented, sexy, and willing to